Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. YouTube family, today we're going to make sweet potatoes. These are really yummy sweet potatoes. I hope all of you are doing awesome. So I had a huge sweet potato and I cut it into small pieces and I laid on an aluminum foil. You can just keep it on the pot or pan you're going to bake it. And then to this one I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil which I just added, and then I mix everything together nicely. And then I'm going to add 2 cloves of crushed garlic, and this is kind of optional. You can add it if you wish, or if you don't want it, you don't have to add it, but it gives nice flavor. And I mix it all together nicely. And now I'm going to add my freshly grounded black pepper. Now you can add as much as you want, as little as you want, but freshly grounded makes it taste really better than the one I pre-grounded. And I'm going to add freshly grounded kosher salt. You can add kosher salt, Himalayan pink salt, or regular salt according to your taste, and don't add too much, just to see what you like. And then I'm going to add some red chili pepper crust. This one also optional if you like it hot and spicy. I'm going to add a little bit, just a little punch, and makes it taste really better. So it's up to you if you like it hot or if you don't like it hot. So it depends. I'm going to add some oregano flakes, and this is just any kind of spices that you feel like you want to add. Just throw it in there, it tastes good anyway. And then I'm going to add some parsley. So you can add parsley flakes, and so this is parsley flakes, and I'm just going to sprinkle some on it too. And then I'm going to add some basil, some dry basil flakes. Now if you have these fresh herbs, you can just chop it off and add it about a teaspoon each. And if you don't have it, just use the dry one, it works awesome. And now I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice to give it a real punch. So yeah, just mix it whenever you feel like it, and it really comes out awesome. You can even add at the end a tablespoon of butter, which I didn't add. I just added 1 more tablespoon of olive oil. So I'm just going to add my lemon juice, and then I'll add the olive oil. Wherever I add lemon or lime, I don't add butter because lemon and lime and butter do not go together. So I'm going to add some lime. If you have lemon, you can add lemon. Either one, just going to give you a little bit of sour punch. And you're going to have to add 1 more small piece. So you're supposed to add half a lemon, so I cut into 2 small pieces. I'm just going to squeeze 1 more small one. So make sure I have enough to give it a kick. And then at the end, you can put a little bit more olive oil or slice of butter. It's up to you. Either way, if you like butter, it's going to give you buttery flavor. And if you add olive oil, it's just going to make it nice and crispy. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a nice, crispy, tasty sweet potatoes. So just a little bit of olive oil. So altogether I added roughly about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon at the bottom, now I'm going to stir it all together. And I'm going to use the same pot to put it inside the oven. My oven is preheating on 400 degrees for about 30 minutes preheating now. And I'm going to stick this one inside, and I'm going to let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes inside the oven. So I leave inside the oven for 15 to 20 minutes on 400 degrees. Now it's done. It's looking really awesome and tasting so good. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.